Guys, good morning, how are you doing? So it's Saturday and there is this DIY I've been doing, so I want to share it. It's natural exfoliating stuff that I've been doing. I've done it for 5 days and I'm seeing an incredible result on my face, so I decided to share it. You must have heard about it. It's tomato and sugar. I've been hearing about this tomato and sugar, but I am really someone that is always very careful with whatever I apply to my skin. So I didn't pay attention when my friends were doing it, so I didn't pay attention. But recently, because I started getting a dull face, so I'm like, let me try this tomato and sugar. And I tried it for 4 days. I started seeing an incredible result. I used to have all these small pimple around my nose, like very obvious, but after these 4 days it cleared this pimple. My face is my nose is as slippery as anything you can think of, and my face, can't you see? Like, I didn't apply anything on my face. I just washed my face this morning and that's all. Just look at my face, like I am really enjoying this tomato and sugar stuff. I do it every morning. So let's do Saturday on. You can do it and leave it for like 30 minutes depending on your schedule for that day. I leave it as long as I want. Okay, so let's get it. Just tomato and sugar. You can use brown sugar, you can use white sugar. I don't have brown sugar. What I have is white sugar. So let's get into it. So guys, I'm going to be cutting my tomato into two. I'm going to be cutting it into two. This is it. So I will just use one. And here is my sugar. Sorry, here is my sugar. So I will put the sugar inside my tomato. This is what I did. So I will allow it a bit to sink into the tomato. So before you do it, what you do is you wash your face, and then here you go. So I concentrate more on those areas, my nose area, where I have small pimples around my nose. So I concentrate more here. Make sure I scrub properly. I wish I can scrub all over my body. Okay, as you can see, so I'm going to allow it for 30 minutes and then I will be back and I will show you how my face looks after washing it off, because I will stay for 30 minutes, then wash it off and I'll come back. Please guys, please do it to hit the subscribe button and support this ministry, and also click on that bell notification so that anytime I drop a new video you'll be notified, and give this video a big thumbs up. I'll be right back. So guys, this is my face after I washed it off. Can you see my face? It's actually glowing and looking beautiful, looking flawless. I think you need to try this sugar and tomato stuff. It's really working. Just look at my nose. Look at my nose. Look at my nose. It's glowing. The pimples are fading away. I'm sure you're going to love it. Just try it and get us a feedback. I'm really grateful for this tomato because the way my skin is feeling so pampered. Okay, so I'm gonna be dropping this video here. Do it to give me a thumbs up, give this video a very big thumbs up, and subscribe. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel and also turn your bell notifications on so that anytime I upload a video you'll be notified. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Do have a great weekend. I love you all. Bye.